Hello guys, welcome. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to merge two columns with different data in Microsoft Excel. Let us begin. If you want to avoid typing and copy pasting, use this formula. In this table, we have first name and last name, and I want to combine them in one column. Click on the cell in which you want your result to appear. Click on this icon. This dialog box will open. From category, select all. Here's type concatenate. Go. And then OK. From text 1, click on this cell. And then click on text 2. If you want to have space between two words, simply click on spacebar. And then go to text 2. And then select the last name. Here is the preview of our result. Press OK. Our text is joined. If you want to copy the formula to the rest of the cells, put the cursor on the right bottom of the cell and then drag it down to the rest of the cells. Here is one important thing. If you want to change anything in the full name column, you have to change it in the source column. For example, I want to change Sarah to Rita. As you can see, the name is changed. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.